The first step in utilising tracking is to right-click on the desktop, go to Drafting Settings, and click on the Polar Tracking tab. In this instance, I'm going to set my polar tracking on, could use F8, and I'm going to enable the distance step 500 millimeters. I'm working in the imperial environment here, but the same principles apply when you're working in the, I'm working in the metric environment. The same principles apply if you are working in decimal feet. So I've got my settings correct. So I can OK that. Now I can select the symbol that I want to pattern. So I can just select it. Oops. And then right click and copy. And as I click in the middle of the symbol for my base point, can you see that because tracking's on, as I move across, I can simply stamp those symbols at 500 mil spacing centers. So now to create another row, it's just a matter of selecting all of those and copy again, this time going down at an angle of 45 and 45 and 45. Keep going, even though you may well overlap, because it's quite easy then just to select those three, and these, any overhanging ones can be easily removed, and away you go. So I would then copy that group across there. Can you see, and a few more down here? Can you see that using the step size of 100 in this case and picking the symbol, copying becomes really, really easy, and you get that regular layer. The next movie in this series shows how to introduce some variation into a symbol. In this case it really doesn't matter because it's a circular symbol, but if that was a more elaborate symbol, we might want a little variation in the symbol. So that's the tracking tool. It's very handy for spacing. You can use it in lots of instances. You could, for the sake of argument, use it to measure along a line a defined interval. If you wanted to measure along every 650 mils along a line, you could set tracking on and just put a point on that line at 750. AutoCAD has a command like that, but we don't need one because this tracking option will do it for us.